Today I will show you how to make beautiful leaf made in Romanian point lace technique. For work you need cord, mat, pins, scissors and sewing needle. As you can see, I have already pinned my cord in the shape of the leaf. And I have made the first part of leaf. Let's begin the second, bigger leaf. With the needle go through the stitches of the cord. I will begin from this point. Let's make the strings. Work with the opposite side. With the needle, go through the next stitch and go back. With the needle, go through the same stitch. With the needle, go through the next loop of the cord and go back. With the needle, go through the same loop or stitch. With the needle, go through the next loop. Now work with opposite side. With the needle, go through the same stitch or loop. Now with the needle, go under all threads. Wrap all stitches. Now let's make the next such stitch. Now I skip 2 stitches and with the needle go through the third stitch or loop. Now wrap all threads. Go with the needle, go under all threads and with the needle go next loop. With the needle, go under the threads and with the needle go through the next loop and wrap it. Continue working with the next strings. With the needle, go under these threads. Let's make the strings. We skip 1, insert the needle into the second loop and with the needle make a string. Wrap these threads. With the needle, go under the threads. With the needle, go through the next stitch. With the needle, go under the threads. With the needle, go through the next loop. With the needle, go under the threads. Let's make the next fill-in stitch. We skip 1 and with the needle go through the next loop. So continue working in this way till the end of this part of the leaf. I'm working from the bottom to the up. I have done the whole leaf. You should remove all yarns along the cord. Let's take a look at the back side. We invite you to visit our store Rachel Boutique. Rachel Boutique is the unique, stylish handmade clothing studio by Elena Rugal. Together with purchasing the ready clothes offered, you are more than welcome to order any model you like at the boutique to be made special for you with love. Thanks for watching.